everyone, today I'm going to be talking to you about the Santeva Acne Defeat supplements. Now, these are designed for acne-prone skin, and they're formulated with probiotics, niacinamide, zinc, and lysine to really help reduce blemishes, lighten up that post-acne hyperpigmentation, and also support your body's defense against blemish-producing toxins. So this means no more breakouts, hallelujah, no more clogged pores, no more acne scars, and no more inflammation. And these are really formulated with an effective blend of your vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants so that your skin is less oily and it also has a more enhanced appearance. And it's really important to treat acne from the inside out and not just topically, and that's exactly what these supplements will do. And it's backed by scientific research that shows it's effective for improving skin health. Now, it's very easy to take these. It's just one pill daily, preferably with a meal, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and be sure to check out all the other great videos that we have right here at Santeva Beauty.